time to get your friends into their bike shorts and out to some new roads. Scott from Yakima here, showing you how to carry your bike like a pro with the ForkLift. It's a bike lover's dream mount. It carries your bike securely without touching any of your cherished ride's painted surface. The universal mounts fit Yakima round and most square, factory, and aerodynamic bars. Let's install. Out of the box, you'll see two pieces, the ForkLift and the locking skewer. First, just open the slider, loosen the knob, and open the jaw. Attach the ForkLift to the front crossbar, placing the jaw in one of the three positions that fits your crossbar best. Securing the T-bolt when the jaw is in place. Loosely tighten. Your rear wheel tray may need to be repositioned depending on the placement of your rear crossbar. Once in the correct orientation, fully tighten the rear knob. Come back and fully tighten the front knob and close the locking slider. Now take the skewer and separate the handle from the shaft. Insert the skewer through the ForkLift head and screw the handle back onto the shaft. And that's it. You're ready to load your bike. Remove your front wheel and set the fork onto the skewer. With the skewer handle lever open, hold the handle to stop it from rotating, making sure it closes with firm resistance against your fork. Use Yakima SKS same key system locks to secure your bike and ForkLift. If you have other Yakima gear, the SKS cores only need one key for everything. Finally, secure the rear wheel by pulling the strap through your bike spokes and ratcheting it down through the buckle, and you're done. When not in use, make sure you ratchet the strap to keep it secured to the ForkLift. That's the Yakima ForkLift. And don't forget, the second ForkLift is as easy to install and load as the first. Happy riding! Your favorite gear goes here, friends go here. Yakima, take more friends.